JayDUB
and the family.
We're about to get my son with this air horn. Mariah's idea right here.
I didn't think it was good. Yeah.
Dude, you jumped like almost out the bed, son. Are you okay? Are you okay, man? Are you okay, Cameron? Give me this cover. This is my cover, little nigga. Hey, you okay? Are you okay, bro? Son, look at the camera. Tell the fam you got scared for a little bit.
That was hilarious, actually.
You got scared, didn't you?
Like
We know you got scared because we saw you jump.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got an air horn now. I'm keeping this because I'm gonna keep it.
Hey. Hey, yo. Cameron.
What?
Are you mad, bro?
Sleep with one eye open, son.
Okay.
Do it. Do it now. Oh.
That was fun. I did it. Yeah.
Yeah. That was my daughter's prank on her brother. She wanted to do. So we got him. That boy like
Yeah, he went like this. He like
she gotta tell mommy. Anyway, like, subscribe. You know what to do. Hit the bell for the latest notifications. We out. JayDUB and the family. Early in the morning. Prank war still going on this weekend between us all. No one's safe. Subscribe, support, and stay tuned.